In this media, you will learn about recognized organizations authorized by flag administrations. Once a flag ratifies the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, it has to fulfill the obligation of giving a formal identity to the ships flying its flag by registering them. Once the ship is registered, it becomes incumbent on the administration to 1. Exercise jurisdiction and control on administrative, technical, and social matters related to the ships flying its flag. 2. Take measures to ensure safety at sea of the ships flying its flag. The relevant IMO conventions have laid down minimum statutory requirements for mutual acceptance by the ratifying member states. Requirements are needed in the following areas: ship design aspects, including their structural integrity, load line and stability in intact and damaged conditions, essential propulsion and steering requirements, control of marine pollution arising from ships, navigational aids and fire prevention, containment and escape subsequent to fire, flooding, and so on. The SOLAS Chapter 2-1 states that, besides the regulations, the ships are required to be designed, constructed, and maintained in compliance of the structural, mechanical, and electrical requirements of a classification society as recognized by the Flag Administration. In order to enforce this requirement as per Regulation 1, Chapter 11-1 of SOLAS, flag administrations are permitted to delegate the inspection and survey of ships to organizations as recognized by them. These organizations are the classification societies and are generically termed as recognized organizations. These delegations are resorted to by the flag administrations when the administrations do not have adequate technical experience. These delegations are also resorted to when the manpower is not available to ensure a global network of survey or for certification arrangements. These delegations are essential for the ships working for international business. However, the administration has its own standards which provide a level of safety, are not lower than that stipulated by a classification society. The administration is free to invoke its own regulations. Thus, you have learned about recognized organizations authorized by flag administrations.